Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify contingencies with Zillow offers checklist, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zillow website. Locate the Zillow offers section on the homepage. Click on the Get Started button to begin the process. Enter your property address in the search bar. Review the information about your property that appears. Ensure that your home meets the eligibility criteria listed. Proceed to answer any follow-up questions about your home's condition. Check if there are any specific features that may affect its value. Look for any recent renovations or improvements to document. Once all information is entered, submit your request for an offer. Wait for Zillow to send you an offer based on the information provided. Review the offer carefully to understand the terms and conditions. Take note of the deadlines for accepting or rejecting the offer. Make a checklist of contingencies that may apply to your situation. Consider home inspections, appraisals, and other necessary evaluations. Verify any financial contingencies that impact your home sale. Ensure that all contractual obligations are clearly understood. Contact Zillow directly if you have questions about the offer. Discuss the offer with your real estate agent for additional insights. Decide whether to accept, negotiate, or decline the offer based on your checklist. Prepare any necessary documentation to finalize your sale. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.